Okay, in this video we are going to talk about a very important concept in programming. That concept is variables. So the best way to think about a variable when you're first beginning is a bucket. So you just have a little bucket and you can store some very simple data in that bucket. And you can call that data whatever you want. Or you can call that bucket whatever you want. So for this one, let's call the bucket your age. So now I'm going to place my age inside of this bucket. If you're following along, you would be placing your age inside of the bucket. So just pretend this is your age, but it's actually mine. Let's take a look at what these variables look like in Arduino. So first, we need to set our variables. So let's click on the variables bar over on the side, click on declare I as a number value, but we don't want it to be called I. We want it to be called something meaningful. So let's rename this variable to your age. And then let's go over to the math blocks, get a number, and right now it would say your age is 0, but let's actually put in your age. So I'm putting in 23, but if you're following along, put in your own age. So now we have a variable called your age, and it's set to 23. So like I talked about with the buckets, you can think of a bucket named your age, and 23 is inside of it. So now let's print out this variable. So let's go to our in/out section, serial print. Now, so we have our variable, but we want to use it. And we can't just put the declaration in the serial print. We need to get our variable. So we go over to the variables bar, go to get/set variables. Now that we've declared it, you can see it is there in this section, along with the standard I ones. So there are two to choose from. The one on the top is the setter. So if you want to set your age to something new, if you want to change it, you can use that one. But if we just want to get it, let's use the one that can be connected to a block on the left. So let's just put that into the print, and let's try to run this code. So you go to Arduino, code to clipboard, copy it, go to the Arduino IDE, paste it in, and let's try to upload. It is done, and we will see what it is printing. And there it is. It is 23. So since I am 23, it prints out over and over. If you're following along, you should see your own age printing out over and over.